all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by Prop Tiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surabhi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from A. Sridhar Group. I would like to introduce Mr. Harendra Yadav, HOD Sales and Marketing, welcome sir, and Mr. Shravan Sridhar, promoter of A. Sridhar Group, welcome sir. From Prop Tiger, we are joined by Mr. Kamal Chandani, City Head. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, A. Sridhar Group is one of the renowned names in Ahmedabad real estate market, known for creating some of the remarkable housing projects in the city. Prop Tiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team A. Sridhar and Mr. Kamal to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Over to you, Mr. Kamal.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining. I represent Prop Tiger. We are a real estate advisory firm in the market since 2011. We assist our customers from in their end-to-end real estate solutions, right from identification of the property as per their needs and help them in finalizing their deals. We secure a good relationship with all the top developers of the country and help our clients to secure a good deal for them.
Thank you, Mr. Kamal. Mr. Sridhar.
Yeah, thank you, Surabhi, for the short introduction. I'm Shravan Sridhar. I'm promoter of A. Sridhar Group, and we are into this real estate development business. As of now, we are majorly focusing on mid-segment housing projects. Along with, we have one high luxury end project and a commercial project going on. We'll talk more during the show. Thank you.
Before we proceed, let me show you why Sridhar continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be amongst the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the river bank of Sabarmati. While the transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-speciality hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, this city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination.
Shilaj is a premium residential locality in the western suburb of Ahmedabad. Considering its state-of-the-art infrastructure and swift connectivity to SG Highway, Bhopal Ambli, Science City and the most sought-after Sindhu Bhavan Road, Shilaj has witnessed an exponential rise in demand for development. The locality offers a wide range of housing options like apartments, villas and plots. Shilaj has quite a few benchmark projects launched by renowned developers and has witnessed a tremendous demand in the last few years. One such premier developer group is A. Sridhar. A. Sridhar was formed with the vision of becoming a benchmark in the field of construction industry in Ahmedabad city. The company is based on the foundation of ethics, quality and transparency.
Most thing I like about A. Sridhar is possession on time with quality work. As far as amenities are concerned, we have a garden, children's area, gymnasium, garden terrace, where we can spend a quality time with our families.
A. Sridhar offers a portfolio of high-end, exquisite apartments in Shilaj, Ahmedabad.
My experience with A. Sridhar is quite satisfying. Transparency is equal to A. Sridhar, and that exactly come true right from exchange of money and receipts and all legal documents. Everywhere at every step, the experience was quite satisfying.
Located at a convenient space at Sindhu Bhavan Shilaj Junction, Kaveri Soham Vistara is a premium lifestyle apartment. Large open spaces, a multi-purpose sports court, Jain Derasar and Ganesha temple in the premises are some of the highlights of this very thoughtfully built project. Proximity to shopping areas that fulfill your daily needs also makes living here completely hassle-free, comfortable and enjoyable. Vistara, as its name suggests, refers to a garden in heaven. Kaveri Vistara is a residential avenue that basks in the paradise with 3 towers featuring 136 smart 2 BHK homes. The project ensures 3 side open apartments, ample celebration spaces, and some distinctive amenities that define the magnificence of this heavenly garden on earth. Kaveri Soham is designed for you and your lavish lifestyle. A 3 side open corner apartment, so spacious that you would love to flaunt it. A perfect balance of elegance, convenience, comfort, serenity, and security for your ultra luxurious lifestyle. Stay close to the city, yet stay away from its chaos, only at Kaveri Soham. Elegance, convenience, comfort, serenity. Kaveri Kadam offers them all. Elegant architecture and capacious spaces which allows reflection speak about a mark of excellence. These homes are built to exceed all your expectations of perfect homes.
I hope viewers have found this video helpful. Let's get to some question answers. Mr. Sridhar, tell us how is Shilaj as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like?
So Shilaj has been constantly the destination where people have slightly moved their focus on. I kind of try to compare it with Vastrapur or Bodakdev about 20 years back. So if you see how the development around those areas kept on improving, and there was a CG road, there was the 132 feet ring road, which were the most sought for areas during those times, and that brought the focus on Vastrapur and Bodakdev area. Similarly, right now, Sindhu Bhavan is the most sought for area, and the closest destination area to Sindhu Bhavan is Shilaj. In fact, half of the Sindhu Bhavan road is part of Shilaj area, and I think that's what brings the crux in the Shilaj area right now.
Mr. Harendra, can you tell us about the USPs of A. Sridhar construction projects and what do you think will appeal to home buyers in your projects?
Yes, Ravi. One of the features of A. Sridhar is that before designing any of the projects, we try to be in the shoes of a customer and see what actually the demand is and what will upgrade the lifestyle of a customer. The 5 major distinctive USP of Kaveri projects. In A. Sridhar, all our projects are being launched branded in the name of Kaveri. So 5 USPs of Kaveri Group is, the first major USP is that all our units are 3-side open apartments. Having said that, in major construction, you will find towers having 2 or 3 blocks together, but in our projects, we have a single tower with individual block, which ensures that from the drawing room to your wash area and kitchen, all the areas of the of your home would be having cross ventilation and proper sunlight, and also ensures that you have a proper privacy. Every tower has 2 elevators, out of which 1 elevator we are equipped with a emergency stretcher elevator, which can be cope up as a case of medical emergency, and in normal scenario, it can be used as a material lift. Moreover, all the elevators are accessible from the basement till the terraces. The third major feature is that all our terraces are landscape terraces where you have plantations, you have amenities like box cricket, it's a gazebo, a wash area, a service kitchen, and which can be used in your day-to-day evening sit-out area. Plus, you can also conduct a social gathering or a birthday celebration. Every flat or an apartment has a private entrance vestibule or the veranda. Emotionally, we are very emotionally termed as Ghar Ka Angan, because Angan plays an important role in our house. The last and important features, USP of the Kaveri projects, every apartment is been allotted with a free allotted parking on the basements. I think this all 5 USP which differentiates our project with this and which helps our customer to improve their lifestyles.
Mr. Sridhar, in terms of price movement, how does Shilaj fare?
So I think the first project that we launched in Shilaj, that was way back in 2009. And if you think about it, from 2009 to 2020, which is 11 years from now, the prices have doubled. So in 10 years, the prices have gained about 100% appreciation. So if you break it into years, there is an average growth of about 8 to 12% every year, which is phenomenal if you compare it with the national average. There have been phases of slowdown, there have been phases of good, there have been good phases, but an average of about 10 to 12% is fantastic. And that's why I see Shilaj as a very good destination to park your home.
Mr. Harindra, who is your target audience and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying in this market?
Subhi, as a company, our tagline says that young Ahmedabad is moving to Shilaj. Here we have a Cosmo crowd. Young middle class people are shifting here because Shilaj by its location has a very add-on advantage. As a brand, we also are connected with, associated with major brands. We have bulk booking with corporates like SBI, HDFC, Zydus, and many more. So we have a Cosmo crowd with a young age group of around 35 to 50 years.
Could you also throw some light on available units and size of units at your projects?
We have a basket range of projects to be from 2 BHK, from a very optimally designed 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, and luxurious 4 BHK. In 2 BHK, we have around 25 units available for sale. Kaveri Kadam, which is a 2.5 BHK, we have 5 units available. We have a project which is ready to move, 3 BHK, we have 2 units available. And then we have a project which will be delivering possession next year. We have around 35 units available. Moreover, we also have a upcoming 3 BHK in a very good location of Shilaj.
That's great. That's good. Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team A. Sridhar to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
Can you go to the first slide, please? Yeah, thank you. So we are A. Sridhar Group, and as we say, the tagline says building thoughtfully. So there is a lot of thought process that goes behind designing each project, and that is why the tagline has been building thoughtfully. Next, please. I'll just give a brief about us. So it was for the development arm started in 2007. However, the A. Sridhar Group has been primarily dominant in Ahmedabad market as a land investment group since about 1993. We have so far delivered to about 1,000 plus happy families, about 20 lakh square feet delivered and 10 lakh square feet of ongoing projects. And as our vision says, on-time delivery, quality and transparency. I think this runs all the way down to all our employees in the group. Next, please. We are one of the very few developers of Gujarat who have been rated by CRISIL Group, which is a S&P global rating agency. And we have been rated as a DA2 developer, which is a very good rating for a Gujarat company. Next, please. Also, we have been awarded Emerging Developer of the Year in 2019. Next, please. Another award that we got for one of our project was in the mid-segment housing. That was the best developer in mid-segment homes. That was given by the Times Group, and also got a project award, Best Affordable Housing Project in Ahmedabad 2019 by the CNBC Global. So as you can see, we have a lot of awards and recognition in our arms. How are we different? So Harindra already mentioned about our USPs. We have 3-side open corner apartments. There is a private entrance veranda. There is free allotted car parking. There is a very nice landscape terrace, which is very uncommon for affordable mid-segment housing projects. Next, please. Yeah. Obviously, we have good number of amenities. As we can see, I think during the lockdown, it was the lifestyle that actually helped. I mean, areas like kids play area, park benches, secured environments, gym. These were the kind of places which kind of helped everyone during the lockdown. This is a list of our ongoing projects. As you can see, we have a very wide range of a basket. We have 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, which gives you 1 extra room, which could have been very helpful during this lockdown. And we have the 3 BHK. Next, please. Also a luxurious 4 BHK that is coming up in Shahibag. a 3 BHK, but one more ongoing 3 BHK, which is the Vistara, which is near the Shilaj Bridge. And we have just recently launched a commercial project at Ambawadi, which is near Jhansi Ki Rani, which is really in the heart of the city. We have two more upcoming projects. One more upcoming project in Shilaj, as we see more and more potential in Shilaj. By the way, Shilaj was zero corona cases area and one of the very few areas of Ahmedabad where there were no cases reported. So that is one more incentive to come to Shilaj. And as I said, one more project coming up in Shilaj, which is right at the junction of Sindhu Bhavan Road and Shilaj SP Ring Road. And now we are also looking at a new pocket, which is Vaishno Devi, which seems to be the area for the next decade. Next, please. So why Shilaj? As I mentioned a few points, it is very close to Pakwan Circle, Bhopal, Science City, Thaltej, and kind of a center to all these connecting areas. Next. It is surrounded by great schools. There is a lot of modern infrastructure. So Shilaj was one of the few areas where the town planning scheme came up very late. And so this was one area which was left out. So all the surrounding areas have been developed and Shilaj is a very new and modern infrastructure area. So as I said, it is very close to all the schools, convenience stores. And I think school is one of the major reasons for parents selecting their homes in that area. And that is one of the very big plus points. We are surrounded by 7 out of 10 top schools of Ahmedabad. So this is what our customers think about us. They thank us for three-side open corner apartments, premium locations, east-west facing apartments, which gives them the views of the sunrise and sunset. Terrace garden is something which is very well appreciated by our customers. And the most appreciated element has been the stretcher elevator, where in case of emergency, the people really realize the value of giving a stretcher elevator. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sridhar, for the presentation. Moving on, let's pick some audience questions. Mr. Birmani is asking, I want a tour of this property online. Is it possible? How can I be assured that it is genuine also? Mr. Kamal, would you like to take that?
Yes, so we do have multiple options for our clients to visit the property virtually. So we have various walkthrough videos of the project. We have a video shot for our sample houses. And since the lockdown has been lifted up partially, you can also walk down to our experience center. Your proper safety would be taken care of, and you can also book the property online if you like it anyways. So it is 100% genuine. Whatever is been shown is been delivered. So be rest assured. Virtual property visit is as good as the physical site visit.
Thank you, Mr. Kamal. Mr. Bengani is asking, in the worst case scenario, if the possession is delayed, what should I do as a consumer? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
Yes. So I'm sure it is a big concern since the last 3 months there has been no construction work. Also, a lot of migrant laborers have walked out from the state. And this is the first time I think Ahmedabad has been one of the very good cities. It has a very good track record. More than 80%, 90% of the developers have a track record of delivering projects on time. And we are one of the few companies who have never delivered a project which is delayed. And I think there may be about 3 or 4 months of delay because of this pandemic. And you can definitely go and request your developer for some kind of a freedom in payment plan or some kind of relaxation in payment plan. And look for mutual consent. I'm sure the developer is going to support you. And obviously, developer will also look for your support. So it is going to be a situation where we all have to take care of each other. The worst case would be to obviously go to RERA, but RERA has already given a 6-month extension to all the projects across the country. So if your project gets delayed beyond that, then definitely you can go ahead and complain to RERA.
Mr. Mahesh is asking, I am a bachelor looking to buy a property near Shilaj. Can you tell me if there's any attractive payment plan? Mr. Harindra, would you like to answer that?
Yes. Coming up with this pandemic, we have come up with a very flexible payment plan which would be very benefited for the customer, wherein a customer can book his apartment by paying only 1% as a booking amount. He gets 2 months of time to pay, and then we have a flexible payment plan wherein he can pay 20% in this year, 30% in next year, that is 2021, and 40% in next year, next to next year, that is 2022. So we have a flexible payment plan.
Mr. Patel is asking, in the next 5 years, can I expect a good capital appreciation at this location? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
So we'll go back to the historical data. As I said, we have a decade of history in Shilaj, and as we have seen, there has been an average growth. There has been ups and downs. There was the demonetization, there was a GST, there was the RERA. So there was a kind of a slowdown, and Shilaj has seen it all. And still, in spite of that, there has been an average growth of 10%. And Shilaj has just started to peak into its construction development. So I definitely see more growth. I see more returns. And with the development of Sindhu Bhavan Road, the fast development of Sindhu Bhavan Road, also with the renowned Taj Hotel coming up in this area, I see furthermore development and furthermore appreciation in this area.
Just to add on to what Mr. Sridhar said, Sindhu Bhavan is the most expensive locality of Ahmedabad, and it is just a road away. So there is a SP Ring Road which divides Sindhu Bhavan Road and Shilaj. And if I talk about the pricing, it is as good as 2.5 times of the prices which are prevailing in Shilaj. So there has to be an equilibrium. Having said that, there is hardly a distance of 500 meters between two localities. The prices are bound to go up. And also it is well connected with all the major attractions of the locality city. So there are multiple concept dining restaurants. There are multiple banquet halls, big time banquet halls which are available on the Sindhu Bhavan Road, which again makes it a very sought after location. And having said that, the center government is also more towards developing of the affordable housing, and Shilaj comes under the affordable housing segment. So we are expecting a good demand in that area, and which ultimately is going to increase the lead in the increase of the prices.
Mr. Ashwin is asking, please let me know which banks can help me with home loans. I am a middle class buyer and I wish to buy this property within a month. Mr. Harendra, would you like to answer that?
Yes. See, all our projects has been approved by all the major banks of India, naming a few: SBI, ICICI, HDFC, Axis, and more. So these all banks, all our projects are approved by all these major banks.
That's great. Ms. Heenal is asking, what is the booking value as of now, and what will be the refund in case of any problem? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
Yes. So as I said, as Harendra Bhai said before, that the booking value is just 1% as of now. It's a very lucrative offer that we have come up with. So you can book if you've visited us before, or if you've seen our property before, and if you trust us and you know our brand, you can just book by paying 1%. And once the lockdown opens up and the restrictions are eased, you can once again come up, you can refine your decision, and you can reconfirm your booking by going ahead, or else you can even cancel your booking just in case if you feel any negativity around, and we will refund your entire amount. And we also have a very flexible payment plan, which Harendra Bhai talked about, which is a 20, 30, 40 plan, which gives you a very ease of financial planning for the upcoming 2 or 3 years.
Ms. Ahuja is asking, is there a price advantage if I invest in Shilaj and not any other upcoming locality? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer this one?
So yes, definitely, I've already covered this point, and I would reiterate it for the benefit of the viewers. It is definitely going to be a price advantageous locality for you. Having said that, the prices are not at its peak, and there is a lot of development going around. So the proximity to the most expensive locations of Ahmedabad is very high to this locality. So I believe the appreciation is going to be very huge. And if you talk about a long-term appreciation, maybe 5 years to 10 years, it is definitely going to be the best location in terms of price appreciation.
Mr. Kanti is asking, how do you update home buyers about construction status? Mr. Harendra, would you like to answer that?
We share the progress of our projects every first week of the month. We share the progress update through WhatsApp. We have mailers, and we have a professional drone videos which have been shared with all our customers. And the same is also been updated on the website. So any point of time from anywhere of the world, the customer can log in and they can see the updates of the projects.
Miss Ritika is asking, we are a family of 4 and looking to invest in a 2 BHK in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that Sheelaj is a safe location to invest in. Please help. Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
Yes, absolutely. Since you said you are a family and you have kids around, I think you would like to have your kids go to one of the most best schools of Ahmedabad. And as I said, 7 of the top 10 schools of Ahmedabad, we are surrounded by them. So that is one of the first incentive for you to buy a home at Sheelaj. Also, it is very convenient for you because all the entertainment, the food parks, they are very nearby. They are within 5 to 10 minute drive from Sheelaj. Also, all workplaces which are on the commercial hub of SG Highway, that is hardly a 7 to 10 minute drive from Sheelaj. And besides that, all the convenience stores, the big supermarkets like DMart or Hind Supermarket or say Reliance, they are all pretty close by. So I think this gives you multiple options and multiple reasons for you to buy a home at Sheelaj.
Um, Mr. Kamal is asking, how much rent can I get if I invest in Sheelaj? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer that?
So it depends on the denomination of the flat and also the furnishing. So if you go for a 2 BHK unfurnished, the average rental is 15 to 16,000. Whereas for a furnished 2 BHK, it is around 17 to 18,000. For a 3 BHK properly furnished flat, it varies from 23 to 26,000. And for a unfurnished 3 BHK, it varies from 20 to 22,000. It depends, again, depends on the kind of furnishings which you offer. But I am very sure that the rental yield is is by far the best in the country in Ahmedabad. So it is as good as 4 to 5% on an annual basis.
Okay. Mr. Krishnakant is asking, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for families with kids? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
So the maintenance is something which is we have a in-house agency, a in-house team for that, and we also have a full-time plumber, full-time electrician, and a full-time carpenter on service. So anytime anybody wants any kind of maintenance for their individual apartment, it is provided by us. Besides that, we have a very professional team of housekeeping and security agencies. So the kind of service that we are giving for that, I think what we are charging is very nominal. We are charging about 2 rupees per square feet per month. And I think the next thing that you asked was what are the facilities for the kids. So we do have a kids and infant play area. Besides that, we have multiple sports activities for promoting outdoor activities. Things like, say, a skating ring. Then we have a badminton court, a multi-purpose court. Then we also have a box cricket that we have developed on the top of the terrace of each block. So we have multiple activities for kids to be engaged in while they are staying at the residences. Yeah, thank you.
Ms. Krishika is asking, are there any hidden charges if I buy a property from PropTiger? How does PropTiger work if there is zero charges for customers? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer that?
We absolutely charge nothing from our buyers. We just help them, procure a house of their dreams. We will help you and assist you in your buying process with the developers and ensure that all the end-to-end processes are taken well care of. And again, this is a zero brokerage service that we render to our customers.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Sarla is asking, how is the social infrastructure and connectivity in Sheelaj? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to talk about it?
So as I said that the urban infrastructure, this is a very, very new and modern infrastructure that has been developed by the corporation, the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. This was one of the last town plan which was developed. So meaning all the surrounding town planning areas were developed first and then the Sheelaj was developed later. So the urban infrastructure is fantastic. We have the new ring road that passes through by. All the internal roads are 60 feet wide or more wider, which means there are all the internal roads are very big. We already have the water and gutter line services. Even the gas line services are already in existence. All the popular DTH and internet services providers are also existing in this area. So that means the urban infrastructure is already at its peak. It is already ready for new development. Talking about the social infrastructure, we are very close to all the malls. As I said, that majority of the food parks, are in about 10-minute vicinity from Shilaj, and another entertainment places, all the coaching classes. Then we have a lot of training academies, sport training academies, which are also in this similar area, in Shilaj area or very nearby. So excellent social and urban infrastructure, which is very nearby to Shilaj or existing in Shilaj itself.
One of our audience member is asking, is there a possibility to send only digital payments if I purchase it online? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer that?
Yes, so definitely you can go ahead with 100% digital payment, and all you need to do is make a NEFT or RTGS as per your convenience. We can assist you with the selection of units virtually. You just block the unit, and the rest would be taken care through online process. So I would like to add one more thing on this. So most of the, some of the developers actually they deal in cash component, but here it is 100% white, and everything is on a white basis. So you can go 100% digital for that also.
Okay, all right. Mr. Vikram is asking, what's the price range of current flats and forthcoming project for 2 BHK? Mr. Yadav, would you like to answer that?
We have 44 lakh is the basic price for a 2 BHK, which is approximately 3,400 per square feet.
Okay. Mr. Vaibhav is asking how NRIs can pay for property they buy in India. Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer that?
I beg your pardon. Can you please repeat the question?
Yeah, Mr. Vaibhav is asking how NRIs can pay for the property they buy in India.
They can just select the unit of their choice. They have to make a decision whether they want to go for a 2 BHK, 2.5 or a 3 BHK, or maybe for a commercial investment. And after that, probably they have to select the unit, and basis that they can make the remittance done from wherever they are based out of.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Saket is asking, what are the exclusive offers and discounts that I can expect from A. Sridhar Group if I pay the booking amount now? While we have covered this question, but I would request Mr. Sridhar to highlight it again.
Okay, so during the lockdown, we decided that a lot of people may have a dilemma in buying a property. They may be having confusion what is going to happen to real estate prices. They may go up, they may go down, or they may going to drastically fall. But I'm very confident that this is not actually a financial crisis. This is a health crisis, and very soon real estate is going to be how it was before. And for the flexibility of the payment and for the convenience of our buyers, we have come up with a very flexible payment plan. We have a 1% booking amount, and then we have a flexible offer where you can pay just 20% for 2020 year, only 20% amount to be paid in this current year. Next year you pay 30%, and the year after you pay 40%. So that is the kind of offer that we have come up with. Very recently, we had also given an offer where we would actually bear your stamp duty. So those customers who would have made an inquiry during that period, we would still continue that offer for them. So these are the kind of things that we have done for them.
Ms. Tamanna Shiva is asking, are these flats offered at Sridhar Group Vastu compliant? Mr. Yadav, would you like to answer that?
Yes, we at most take care of taking care of this compliances as far as Vastu is concerned. All our flats are east-west facing, and to the best, if possible, we take care of these compliances. So all the projects and all the units are Vastu compliant.
All right. One of our members is asking, what will be the price impact on real estate due to COVID? Mr. Kamal, would you like to take that?
So there have been a lot of speculations around the pricing, and most of the, I keep on speaking to a lot of clients, and people are very skeptical about the prices going down. But it has been more than 60 days now, and I also keep on speaking to a lot of developers. So there has been no price drop as of now, and I do not foresee in the coming future. Like Mr. Sharvil already addressed that this is not a financial crisis, this is a health crisis. So all those people who are actually, wanting to buy a property or who had planned a purchase should go ahead with this timing in particular to make a purchase, because they have all the options available in terms of payment flexibility with all the reputed developers. It is not about the discount or the pricing that you are going to get. It is about the pricing flexibility that you are going to get during this situation. Prices are not going to come down, and I would also make a strong statement saying that you should refrain yourself from going with an arrangement with a developer wherein the prices are getting slashed, because this is going to be a reason that the developer is either crunched in terms of cash or maybe in some other issue is there. So you should also refrain yourself from the developers who are offering huge discounts like 10%, 15%. Stick yourself to reputed developers. Prices are not going to come down, and in a real estate we do not take appreciation in a factor of 1 year or 2 years. It is always a long run investment. So 5 to 10 years, having said that, Shilaj is a good locality. You should not refrain yourself from making a decision. Prices are definitely going to be stagnant for a while. And with the pandemic, the people have developed a lot of sentiments, because for those who are living in rented accommodation are actually wanting to have their own flats or own property. For those who are living in a 2 BHK kind of apartment are actually wanting to have a 3 BHK or maybe a bigger apartment. For those who are living in a 3 BHK want to upgrade to maybe a bungalow or a small row house. So people have realized that the best secured investment option for in the today's scenario is real estate. No other option, and it is the home wherein you have all their hearts placed in. So there is no point that the prices are going to come down.
Okay. With the multiple amenities of terrace garden, gym, kids play area, what are the monthly maintenance costs as per these amenities is a long-term parameter? Mr. Harinder, would you like to answer that? While we have covered this question already, but I would like you to answer this once again.
Yes, on an average, 1.50 paisa per square feet is a maintenance charges, which comes around 2,000 rupees per month. However, being a new project for the next 2 years, maintenance charges also you don't have any maintenance.
Mr. Yadav, we cannot hear you. Can you just, yeah.
Is it audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I said 1.50 paisa is a maintenance charges per square feet, which comes approximately 2,000 rupees for 2 BHK. And being a new apartment for next 2 years, the maintenance has already been paid, so there would be no cost after it. Over and above to this, being into Kaveri projects, the benefit is that after 2 years also, the company is in a position to maintain the society for lifetime or n number of years the member wants. So this is a very added advantage for affordable housing projects.
Mr. Parag Gupta is asking, how big are your projects and will there be enough greenery in the compound once it is ready, and how builder will ensure this? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite passionate subject. Landscape development is something which comes as a passion from my father. And if you would see all our projects, there will always be a lot of emphasis on landscape development. We always have a landscape consultant who takes care of the designing part in each and every of our project. And we also have a full-time landscape assistant who takes care of our maintenance of all our projects. And obviously there are service providers like Mali and all who will take care of the day-to-day needs. But this is something which comes from the passion from our company, and landscape is always going to be the highlight point of all of our projects.
Okay. The next question is, what are the actual livable carpet area when you provide 2.5 and 3 BHK, as there are huge hidden variation to what is being offered and what is being provided on the cost perspective? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
Okay. So Sulbi, if you would check out any of our price lists or any of our fact sheets, we are one of the very few companies who actually provide you all the areas, all the technical areas of an apartment that you are buying with us, of the unit that you are buying with us. So we have the RERA carpet area, we have the balcony area, we have the wash yard area, we have the actual built-up area as per plan pass. We have the extra projection area. We have also mentioned the extra vestibule area that we are giving it to you. And besides all of this, usually there is a thumb rule in Ahmedabad of having a super built-up area of about 42% to say about 45%. We are one of the very few developers who has a super built-up area of less than 40%, in spite of giving so much of clarity. So I think that kind of answers what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
To add on to what Servicel said, Surabhi, 2 BHK is having a carpet area of 595 square feet, and that is only the carpet area plus balcony and wash area, and 2.5 BHK is having a carpet area of 640 square feet.
Thank you. Mr. Sehdev Solanki is asking, what do you think when repo rate, reverse rate and interest rate are cut off by FM? Does it help in boosting real estate? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer that?
Yes, it will definitely help in boosting real estate. There are two angles to look at it. First, reduction in the repo rate and the reverse repo rate has compelled the financial institutions to bring down their interest rates on the housing loan. Now, I was just reading the article, and for the housing loan up to 30 lakhs, it is as good as 7%. So it is by far the lowest interest rate on the housing loan in the past 15 years. So for all the borderline customers who are hesitant to make a decision, they will now move ahead, because 7% on an annual basis is like meniscus. So this is going to boost definitely in terms of people who want to avail housing loan. Second is that the reduction in the repo and reverse repo rate has also led to reduction in the FD interest rates. So for people who had a conventional way of investment in FDs and all those secured investment with the banks, they have they are getting a 4% kind of annualized interest on the FDs. So it would be easier for them to park their funds in a real estate as compared to the FDs. So both these angles will boost up the demand in the real estate, and which is I'm very hopeful of.
Okay. Mr. Anubhav is asking, what are the price trends for your projects in the last 6 months? Mr. Sridhar, would you like to answer that?
Can you please, sorry, repeat the question? I'm sorry.
What are the price trends for your projects in the last 6 months? Mr. Anubhav is asking this.
Okay, Sukhdeep. So as I said this before, the historical data says that Shilaj has given about 10% to 12% of appreciation every year, and it is still on the growth. And with more and more development coming on the Sindhu Bhavan Road, with about 3 or 4 new 4-star, 5-star hotels coming up near the Sindhu Bhavan Road, and more retail and entertainment coming on the Sindhu Bhavan Road, which is so close to Shilaj area, I see there is going to be more and more appreciation. There are a couple of new schools also coming up in the Shilaj area, which
Mr. Sridhar, we cannot hear you. Mr. Sridhar, are you here?
So I think by the time we
Some
cut-
connecting issue.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, perfect. Yes, perfect.
Okay. So as I said, that there are 2 more new schools coming up in the Shilaj area as well, and there was so much development of happening in Sindhu Bhavan Road. I definitely see a more uptrend for Shilaj area. So yes, investments are more and more welcome. This is going to be one of the safest investments I can recommend to any of you.
Okay. Kanu Shah is asking, is it worth it to buy a house at this interest rate? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer that?
So again, so I've been addressing these questions a couple of times. Yes, it is worth to buy this house at this given rate because we do not see any prices going down in the future. And all these projects which A. Sridhar has come up with are low inventory projects. So these are not like 300, 400 kind of apartments. So they have a tendency to get sold very fast. So wherein the availability of the inventory is low, the prices of the leftover apartments are more tend towards getting high. So this is the best time for you to buy the property at this rate, and also you can maybe get the kind of flexibility in terms of payment for at this point of time. Besides, I would like to add on one more thing in interest of a larger audience, that there is no good time or bad time to buy a property. You need to like the property. You need to develop a connect with the property. You just go visit the property or maybe visit it virtually. And if you feel it connected that this is the kind of property I'm looking for, a plus minus of 50,000, 40,000 doesn't make much of a difference in a property worth 50 lakh rupees. So there is no good time or bad time. It is the time wherein you are required to buy the property. And I think there is no better time than pandemic of COVID-19 to buy a property. So I think you should not refrain yourself. Again, you should go ahead with the decision of buying the property. Prices are decent, and you can explore the options of payment at this point of time.
Okay, so Mr. Vijay is asking, what type of property can I find in A. Sridhar Construction? We have answered this query quite a lot of time, but I would request Mr. Sridhar to answer it once again.
Okay, sure. So we have a very wide basket. Majority of our products are targeting the mid-segment housing, which covers 2 BHK. We have a new product called 2.5 BHK, which was a very successful product for us. And we have 3 BHK. We have 2 projects in 3 BHK. And we have recently launched a 4 BHK project as well, that is in Shahibag area. And we also have a commercial project which is in Ambavadi near Jhansi Ki Rani statue. So, and that is offering small to mid-size offices and retail. So that is the basket of products that A. Sridhar offers right now.
Okay. We have a lot of audience queries pouring in, but unfortunately we are running out of time. So I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Mr. Sridhar.
So thank you, Surbi, for giving me this opportunity to interact with PropTiger and with such a lovely audience. And I look forward to people having investments and visiting more and more to Shilaj. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to brand Shilaj in the right way and letting people know what Shilaj can offer for them. Thank you.
Mr. Yadav.
Thank you all viewers to be on this platform. Thank you, PropTiger. And as a closure statement, I request all my viewers to explore Shilaj once before making any decision.
Mr. Kamal.
I would like to thank all the viewers who have spared out time for this webinar. Thanks for your participation. I would wish you a good health. Please stay home, stay safe, take all the necessary precautions. For all your property needs, we are there to assist you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.